Hello everyone! Welcome to Gracia's Diary Story. Another day, another video. For today's video guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako nagtatrabaho dito sa Qatar. So guys, the name of the shop is COS, Collection of Style from Sweden brand. It's a high-end brand na quality-wise, check. Minimalist, timeless collection, check. It's expensive but worth it guys. Nakikita nyo naman guys ang itsura ng shop namin. Pangmamahalin charot. So guys, more on casual kami. Tapos meron kaming formal. Meron din kami mga accessories. Tingnan nyo. May mga shoes kami na for men's. Then wallets, cups, bags, belts, ganon. So meron din kami pang party na mga collection guys, but nare-receive lang namin siya on like Ramadan time. So, if gusto nyo po makita kung saan kaming mall, dito lang po kayo, check lang dyan. Ito yung entrance ng women's namin guys. Sa women's area po, I mean. So, pagpasok nyo, charan! Makikita nyo na agad yung maganda naming table, char. So, pagpasok nyo guys, makikita nyo na agad yung mga collection namin, like we have perfume, meron din kaming accessories, earrings, cups, meron din kaming belt, meron din kaming candles na from Holland, at meron din kaming mga bags of course, ayan, earrings and rings pala. Tapos makikita nyo naman guys na ang collection talaga namin is pang yung quality-wise talaga siya is very big check. As in, 1,000 over 10. Charot. Ganon. Tara guys, sama kayo sa akin. Pakita ko yung loob. Let's go! So next guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang aming pantry. Ayan, ito yung pantry namin dito guys. Dito kami kumakain, umiinom, nagchichikahan, natutulog, natutulog. Ito yung ano namin guys, pantry. May ref kami, may tubig, may locker, may TV, pwede kang kumain dyan. Basta pwede mong gawin lahat dyan guys. Thank you for watching guys. See you next video. Bye!